Can we disable volume buttons on your Android phone? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you whether or not we are able to disable volume buttons on your Android mobile phone or not. So without further ado, let's get started. First, you need to note Android doesn't natively provide an option to completely disable the volume buttons. Android's default settings do not allow you to remap or disable the volume buttons through built-in settings. However, there are some workarounds you can try. You can easily use the Do Not Disturb mode. So for that, you can easily head to the settings on your Android phone. Scroll down and navigate to Sounds and Vibration. Here you got the option of Do Not Disturb. You can tap on it and then turn on the button for Do Not Disturb. So turning on Do Not Disturb doesn't disable the buttons, but it prevents interruptions by silencing notification and sounds. You can access it from this Sound and Vibration section. The next way is accessibility features. While not a direct way to disable the buttons, but you can use certain accessibility settings like magnification gestures or interaction controls to change how your device responds to button presses. Through this, don't directly affect the volume button. Other way is you can easily use the third-party applications like button Remapper by installing and downloading from Google Play Store, and then you can easily set the application settings and use it in order to disable volume buttons. So you need to note it's not possible to fully disable the volume buttons without a third-party app, so this workarounds can help manage sound control in a limited way. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.